Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So, if you have this continuous thought of how much does a psychologist earn, should I go for this degree? So, I'm here to clear all of these doubts, beginning with how much a person can earn after graduation, ending with how much a person can earn with PhD degree in hand. So let's get started. तो सबसे पहले BSc, BA प्रोग्राम इन साइकोलॉजी करने के बाद you'll get jobs, but you'll be working as an intern or an assistant or maybe some other field in psychology, and not as a therapist or a psychologist or your own private practice, because of course you don't have that much qualification right now, and you can earn up to 2 lakhs to 4 lakh per annum, and that's very less because you're just in your graduation level and you need more qualifications, and it only makes up to 16,000 to 30,000 max in your hand per month. So इसके बाद you have to do your masters in psychology, either counseling psychology or clinical psychology, and after completing your masters you can earn somewhere between 4 lakh to 7 lakh per annum. That also is very less, but depending on your specialization and on your experience, this range will increase. And now if you go for MPhil, that is RCI licensed course. If you don't know what is RCI, it's Rehabilitation Council of India. तो अगर आप एम फिल कर लेते हो इन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी, देन यू विल बी एबल टू अर्न अराउंड 6 लाख टू 12 लाख पर एनम. अगेन डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड योर वर्क प्लेस, दिस में इंक्रीज. एंड इसके बाद इफ यू वांट टू डू PhD, तो PhD स्टार्टिंग रेंज इज 4 लाख टू 12 lakh per annum, but again it depends on your specialization and your workplace. It can increase a lot, and after some kind of experience, maybe 5 years, you can earn up to 12 lakh per annum. When we talk about private practices, तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपके एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना पर सेशन चार्ज करते हो, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 500 रुपीज़ टू 2000 टू 5000. काफ़ी लोग उससे भी ज़्यादा चार्ज करते हैं पर सेशन का. सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट योर सेल्फ कि अगर आपके महीने के इतने क्लाइंट्स हैं एंड इतना per session आप चार्ज करें, तो how much you can make in a month. Now where all psychologists can work: hospitals, private practices, schools, as counselors, as teachers, as professors, as researchers, or as content creators. You can also write your own book if you have that capability. You can also work in NGOs, you can also work at MNCs. So there's a lot of options in this field. There are also jobs in HR for psychologists, and you can also do MBA after your graduation or your masters, and it will open a lot of options for you. You can work in basically in every field with your psychology degree, because psychology is required everywhere. Now if you like this video, if you found this video informational, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.